Okay, after a long time of working after this thing, so basically the problem was coming from here. So I follow it all like here, and this is what the problem. This right here, this computer here is bad. So I put new one, and they changed the fuse, and everything that worked perfect. This is the diagram for the fuse box, and now everything works perfect.